Alright everyone, here's this Monte Carlo Homeowner Deluxe ceiling fan in this guest room. This light kit was listed on this fan, and this one has the 5 and 4 blade motor. I wanted to show this part. There's a screw is installed on the 5 blade motor. The one where it's more loose. Sorry, that's lead camera. Sorry about that. So it is right here. That's the screw that's in that motor. But anyway, the fan's on. Yeah, it's off. The light bulbs are all the same. And I'll start the fan. And it's doing a bit wobbly on high, and it's noisy on medium. Yes. Okay, I'll just show you the light for a little bit. This is what it looks like. I left it off. And I was going to use this. And there's a couple of the screws that were on here. More screws up on that shelf. Yeah. This black thing right there goes to the blade arms. They go on top of it. And here's medium. It's pretty wobbly on high. This fan's 52 inch. This is how noisy it is. Here's the top of the fan. But it is 52 inch. It's Monte Carlo somehow. And I forgot to say that it's a little bit wobbly on medium. Yeah, it's because of the blade. And for high. Sorry about that. This is not a good fan. Yeah, this one is a good fan, but I don't like the way it's wobbling. I think this is going to start quick. Maybe it won't. I think I'll stop it. Then I'll show this from the beginning. I could have just knocked the canopy off by now, but good thing I won't.
Are you in the office?
No, I'm not, Dad.
What are you doing?
Just taking a video of this.
You're doing that fan. I can hear it. I'm mad.
But it's not ruining it. Oh, sorry about that. My dad's pretty mad. It's like, turn it off. I think I'll just shut the door and lock this door. I think it will stop quick. Good. This fan looks pretty neat without that silicone blade. So the next video I'm doing is going to be the same fan, but I'll just have it with the light on. Okay, this will stop quick. Maybe not. I tried to get the iPad. I think it's a bit cracked. Okay, bye-bye.